The first reaction occurs when the sugar combusts in the presence of oxygen. This produces CO2, formerly known as carbon dioxide, and water vapor, a gas. This pushes the sugar and baking soda mixture upwards. Now, there is additional sugar as we added 40 grams of sugar to 10 grams of baking soda. This additional sugar heats up but doesn't have access to any oxygen. So instead of burning, undergoes thermal decomposition, which produces additional carbon and water vapor. Now the carbon is used to provide shape to the snake and also is the reason for the black color. Finally, the baking soda also decomposes in the heat, producing sodium carbonate, CO2, and more water vapor. Altogether, these reactions produce the solid aspects of the snake and hot gases that expand the snake out of the container.